Parents are not just people who provide food and fees. The way they support you, set rules, and talk with your school can affect your marks, your confidence, and your friendship, and even your dreams. Dear students, welcome to Pallikkutam Digest for Students, presented by Rajagiri Media. Today we talk about parenting and how it shapes your life. We will look at 4 research studies and 1 historical story which show how parenting connects to your education. Let us begin. First, let us see why school meetings matter for you. When parents attend school meetings, students perform better.
A study published on 13th of June 2025 in Education Sciences by Sidney L. Fu from Kangqiao International School, Taiwan, looked at early adolescence. It found that when parents regularly attend parent-teacher conferences, students score better in later high school and college entrance exams. There was a clear link between parental attendance and higher standardized exam scores. What students can learn. Asking your parents to attend parent-teacher conferences is not just formality. It brings better support and can help your future marks.
Next, we see how parenting style shapes your thoughts and feelings. Parenting style shapes how students think, feel, and behave.
In 2025, T. Sutaria from Pandit Deendayal Energy University in Gujarat, India, published a study in the Open Access Library Journal. The study surveyed 150 young adults aged 16 to 22 and compared authoritative, authoritarian, permissive, and uninvolved parenting styles. Students with authoritative parents, those who are warm and firm, showed better behavior and higher self-esteem. On the other hand, those with permissive or uninvolved parents had more behavior problems and social difficulties. So, what can students learn from this? Well, a home that mixes love with sensible rules really helps you become stronger and more confident.
Our third story explains how balanced parenting builds social skills. Balanced parenting builds confidence and better social skills.
In 2023, Jiawen Jin from Weiyu International School in Shanghai, China, published research in the Journal of Education, Humanities and Social Sciences. Using Diana Baumrin's theory, the study showed that authoritative parenting, warm guidance with clear rules, helps children develop better social adjustment, emotional strength, and self-esteem. Harsh, very permissive, or neglectful parenting was linked to weaker social skills and slower emotional growth. So, what can students take away from this? Rules plus care create the safest space for you to grow as a person.
Our fourth insight is about emotions and focus. Parenting influences how students control emotions and focus.
A 2025 review by Feyza Çorapçı from Sabancı University, Istanbul, Turkey, published by Elsevier, looked at how children develop self-regulation. That's all about managing emotions, attention, and behavior. The review found that warm, consistent, autonomy-supportive parenting builds strong self-control, while, very controlling or inconsistent parenting actually weakens it. It also noted that culture matters and parenting practices really do differ across countries. What students can learn is that self-control is a skill that grows with support at home and, of course, effort from you.
Finally, let us remember a big change in education. Free public schools changed education for all students.
In the mid-1800s, leaders like Horace Mann led the Common School movement in the United States. Before that, only rich families or church groups could easily access schooling. The movement created free public schools for all children, rich or poor. This allowed working class and immigrant children to attend school and aim for better futures. It also brought students from many backgrounds into the same classroom, promoting fairness and equality. What students can learn is that school is a right that earlier generations fought for. Use this opportunity with gratitude and seriousness.
Dear students, today we saw the parenting influences your marks, your behavior, your emotions, and even how schools were built in history. Let us appreciate our parents, talk to them with respect, and work with them instead of fighting against them. Thank you for watching Pallikkutam Digest for Students, presented by Rajagiri Media. See you next month. Till then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning.